Have you been worried about dogs' kennel cough? When people hear their beloved pet coughing away, it not just appears a little bit strange, yet it can be extremely frightening too. This is because coughing is mostly linked with humans. The fact is that there is not that big of a distinction between canines and people when it involves respiratory infections. Canines struggle with respiratory soreness as well. There has been some issue over the relationship in between kennel cough and people. While the probability of an infection taking the trip between pets and human beings might initially show up complicated, there is research that insists that this is certainly the truth. Human being Bordetellosis. Humans with a weak immune system are prone to human Bordetellosis. Although this health condition is not typical, it's not unusual either, and its effects could not be disregarded. Vetcentric.com states that this health problem can be transferred in between dogs and humans through coughing. Aside from people with a fragile immune system, kids and pregnant ladies have been stated to be at risk of acquiring kennel cough. This disease is created by a germs called Bordetella brochiseptica. This microorganism can be compared with the Bordetella Pertussis Bacterium that results in whooping cough. Some scientists argue that there exists no relationship between kennel cough and human beings, as they hold the belief that there is no probability of people contracting these kinds of illness. Transmission of kennel cough is felt to be the primary transmitter of kennel cough in humans. Those people staying in filthy and inadequately ventilated locations are much more prone to this disease than those that stay in well-ventilated areas. For that reason, it is necessary to ensure that your atmosphere is tidy. In addition, humans must stay away from communicating with infected canines. Flu as well as bad colds are additionally to signs that are typically related to kennel cough. Avoidance healthcare practitioners believe that there is no need to fret about kennel cough and human beings. This is normally because prevention of these diseases is simpler compared to managing them once they take place. Those who would certainly such as to stay away from going through the troubles of being affected with kennel cough should stay away from interacting with contaminated pets, given that the ailment is airborne in nature. In case you think you could not avoid communicating with canines, then you need to take into consideration treating them. Procedure. Although some experts suggest that there is no relationship in between kennel cough and people, we can come across some individuals having the exact same symptoms as their dogs do after interacting with them while they had kennel cough. The use of antibiotics has verified to be effective for dealing with kennel cough in people. In order to manage moderate signs, people are encouraged to make use of cough suppressants. Using steroids is very discouraged, for they weaken one's immune system. From these realities, it is clear that kennel cough has led to deterioration of wellness amongst people and dogs. It does not matter its transmission resource, all individuals have to rise to the occasion and ensure that they battle this ailment. I know though sometimes we still worry. If that's the case with you, you might want to see this. Questions like dogs' kennel cough. If you have health concerns for your dog, you'll appreciate it as a resource. Don't forget you can get questions answered like dogs' kennel cough will help you sleep better knowing your dog is happy and healthy.